Thank you so much, Palm Beach Poetry Festival. This has been an incredible week. My name is Julia Chiapella, and I'm going to read a poem of mine called A Certain Kind of Mercy. This appeared in I-70 Review this past year. A Certain Kind of Mercy. It is the middle of the afternoon. My mother's dead body lies 45 degrees from my own. Her head, my feet, an inadvertent right angle. Sprinklers swish in the mid-July heat. It's too soon to write this. But those first lines rippled while I lay there in summer's languor, determined to doze. Last night, sitting beside her, sleep hadn't come. Her pulse, the beat of small wings at the throat, the machine gun rapid flutter, a call to action, a call to benevolence, a call to suspension. But the caregiver was there. And who am I kidding? To strangle, to suffocate, takes a certain kind of mercy, not evinced by the slack jaw, the unfurrowed brow. And besides, my mother believed in a certain kind of suffering, elemental, divine, part Father, part Son, part Holy Spirit. It's a crucible she couldn't be denied. The crush and glow, alchemical, of an expanding spirit. Now, head to toe, her breath fills the room, catches me in its release, and sleep comes, solid, necessary. Against the tide of rosaries, morphine, toothets, and all that caressing. There's a corner we've created. Let's lie here for a while. Thank you for listening. Be well, everyone.